6 signs that you've outgrown your current autoresponder. An email marketing list can be one of the most important tools you use in your business. It enables you to build a relationship with your target audience and be able to mail them offers regularly for continuing sales and profits. Many people start out with a free service, or they pick any service they happen to hear about, only to find it has certain limitations that hold them back from creating the kind of marketing program they really want. In such cases, they outgrow that service and need to decide what to do about it. Automation is key. Certain services only allow certain forms of automation, yet automation is the key to running a successful business online. Your email autoresponder isn't limited to registering people to your list and sending out the obligatory welcome email. You can create e-courses such as a 7-day e-course, free or paid, to educate your audience in a trickle-feed manner. All you have to do is create the emails once and they can keep on earning for you over and over again, even for years to come. The best services also offer a blogging broadcast option. Each time you post new content to your blog, your autoresponder will post the headline, a summary that you write, and a link for your readers to go see the new content. This is a great way to stay connected with your target market and drive traffic to your site. If your current service can't do multiple lists, handle e-courses and blogging broadcast, it's time to switch to one that does. Price versus value. You need to find a service that both meets your needs and is cost effective. A free service will never be full-featured. Paid services are popular because they are affordable. They offer a great service and are full-featured. But beware, because some paid services are really robust and they have a steep learning curve, making them awkward to master, and if that isn't enough, they are very expensive. Great sign-up form templates. These days, email marketing is pretty competitive. In order to get people onto your list, you need to have an attractive sign-up form that makes it look like you are worth doing business with. Aweber offers a range of choices, for example ones based on color scheme and niche. Attractive mail templates. A good email marketing service should offer attractive mail templates that help your emails look as if they were professionally produced, even if you have never coded a web page by hand in your life. Let's mention triggers and actions. As your list grows, you might need to set triggers and actions in relation to your list. For example, if someone was on list A and they buy product A, they would come off that list and go onto list B. In this way, they will not keep getting promotional emails about product A. Detailed metrics and reporting. When you are shopping around, make sure the service offers detailed metrics and reporting so that you can track the success of all your email marketing campaigns. Make the most of your autoresponder and see your profits grow along with your online popularity and, perhaps more importantly, your lists.